I'm going to show you how to open a Microsoft Natural Ergonomic Keyboard 4000. So this is the keyboard. There are 21 screws in the back of this keyboard. All of these screws, there are 21 of them. And of these 21, 3 are longer than the others, so the 3 of the screws will be longer and 18 will be the small ones. So make sure to mark the ones that are long. So I'll just show you which ones are the long ones. So this one here will be a long one, and the one here is going to be the long one, and the third one is this one. So once you have all of these screws off, just turn it around, and these wrist pads, they'll just come off. So once the wrist pad comes off, it will expose 2 more screws that you need to take off. One is this one right here, and the other one is this one. So once those two screws are out, you need to take 2 more screws out before the keyboard can be opened. So those 2 screws are hidden under the space bar. So you'll just have to pull out the space bar. Once the space bar is out, there will be 2 silver screws. These are tiny screws, so you might need a smaller screwdriver. It's really tiny. So once you get those 2 screws out, you can just pull the keyboard out. To get the individual keys out, you'll just have to pull them out one by one. Something like this. And then you can just take off this pad and clean it or do whatever. I hope this helps you with your keyboard.